Hello there. Hi, my name is Christine Church, and I am the host of Casual Razzle Dazzle. And this is your channel for beauty and all kinds of interesting little things. On this first video of the channel, congratulations, you get to be here for the first video of the channel. I am gonna do an unboxing. And in this, I decided to start with IPSY. Okay. Yep. I'm going to do this. And when I open the package, look at it comes in this adorable makeup case. Look at that. And I love the look. It's like a stone look. It's like the look of, look at that. Check that out. Ooh, it looks like it's made of marble. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. I haven't even opened it yet, and I already love it. It's beautiful. Okay, so let's open up and see what we've got inside. So, ooh. Oh wow. We have Defy by Inspire. It's a nail lacquer. I don't really do my nails because I have a horse, and nails don't work really well when you're around horses. But take a peek-see at that. I wish it wasn't backwards. But anyways, it's Inspire, Defy, and Inspire Wear Resistant Nail Lacquer. 0.5 fluid ounces. What do you think of that, huh? Pretty cool. That's the first thing that we're going to look at. What else have we got in this cute little package? I love this. I really love the makeup case. Okay, Real Her. It's like a beige eyeliner. That's cute. I'll have to try this one out one day for you. Yeah. What else have we got in here? Tea Tree Balancing Foaming Cleanser. I always can use cleansers. Cleansers are good. Yeah, I'm going to use this to wash my face tonight. Isn't that cool? Yeah, that's cool. So this is just my first, and I look forward to doing this every month, to having the, okay, what have we got here? Cosmetic, lipstick. I love lipsticks. Let me see if I can get it open. I know I'm a little quirky. I'm probably the oldest person doing these. Doing unboxings and tutorials and all that stuff. But it's so much fun, regardless of your age. Let's see what color we got here. Oh, it's very dark. It looks a lot lighter in the camera, but it's actually quite dark. It's about 3 shades darker than it looks in the camera. But let's see. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. If I put it on my, see? That color, that's not too bad. It's very soft. It's a very soft and smooth, it's not too bad. I will definitely use that. If I can find room in my makeup case. Ooh, my makeup case is full. Oh, what's this? Here we go. Ultra Hydrating Cream, Oasis. By Oasis. It's a hydrating cream. See, I deliberately, put in, for my interests, for things that, for older skin, obviously. So if you're younger, you may want to start with some older people. Hydrating, let me tell you something. Hydrating is very, very, very good. That's something you really want to do, is hydrate. Oh, isn't this cute? Look at this. Oh, look at this. It says IPSY on it. Looks like a little keychain. course, my keychain is about this long and has so many items on it that I don't know if I'm gonna have room, but I will try. This is really cute though. I love these packages are great because you never know what's going to be inside of them, and it's so much fun. Look at that, isn't that cute? It's got a little mascara brush on it on the end. It looks like, and it says IPSY. I could put this on my makeup bag. Yeah, that'll look good on the makeup bag. And that's it. That's all we got in that one for now until next month when another one comes in. And I subscribe to a few, so you know, this is what I want to start doing. I decided that I wanted to start working on maybe teaching people some of the makeup tips that I learned back. I know it was a long time ago, but I went to modeling school when I was in my 20s. I was a professional model, believe it or not. Unfortunately, age doesn't always, you know, if you don't have the money for plastic surgery and all kinds of treatments, age can be cruel on the teeth as well. That's my first short little video, my unboxing of my IPSY stuff. I hope you enjoyed it. And believe me, there will be more. I do have a makeup tutorial on here as well. So subscribe if this is the kind of thing that you like and you want to keep checking out my tutorials and my unboxings and see what kind of new things I'm going to come up with, because I'm going to try doing different subscriptions to different boxes and different beauty things and all kinds of cool stuff. So hit the subscribe button if you're interested, and I'll see you next video. Bye.